Disorganized? Transform chaos into clarity. Say goodbye to messy labels. The ORGSTA S001 label maker redefines smart organization with portable design and seamless Bluetooth connectivity. Experience high-resolution thermal printing, delivering crisp, ink-free labels anytime, anywhere. This lightweight device fits perfectly in your pocket, ensuring on-the-go labeling at home, office, or classroom. Enjoy the freedom to create custom tags using the Snap and Tag app, featuring versatile templates for everything from storage containers to classroom supplies. Waterproof and scratch-resistant labels withstand daily wear and tear, keeping your spaces effortlessly neat. Embrace the innovation of rapid, 35-inch per minute printing supported by a powerful rechargeable battery. Feel empowered to organize your world. Found a lower price? Sign in to share your feedback and stay ahead.